Please like and subscribe to our channel to keep in touch with our constant updates. Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will discuss the top 5 ways to soothe a crying baby. We all know how difficult it can be to calm down a crying baby. It can be stressful and overwhelming, especially for new parents. But don't worry, we've got you covered with some effective methods that can help soothe your little one. First and foremost, it's important to check if the baby is hungry or needs a diaper change. These are the most common reasons for a baby's crying, so make sure to address these issues first. The second way to soothe a crying baby is to try swaddling. Wrapping your baby in a soft and snug blanket can create a cozy and secure environment, which can help calm them down. Thirdly, white noise can be very helpful in soothing a baby. This can be anything from the sound of a fan to a white noise machine. The gentle humming can help lull your baby to sleep. Fourthly, a warm bath can work wonders in calming a crying baby. The warm water can help relax their muscles and soothe their nerves. Finally, one of the most effective ways to soothe a crying baby is to carry them in a baby carrier or wrap. The closeness and movement can provide a sense of security and comfort for your little one. And there you have it, our top 5 ways to soothe a crying baby. Remember, every baby is different, so don't be discouraged if one method doesn't work for your little one. Keep trying and you will eventually find what works best for your baby. Thank you for watching and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and advice for new parents.